there's a bobcat in this video clip. Can you see it? I'm going to play the clip backwards so you can see it stand up, and then play the entire clip. It acts like a very curious house cat. The bobcat's fur is spotted with black and brown markings, which help it blend in seamlessly into the natural habitat around our camp. Its agile and graceful movements, combined with its mottled coat, make it an elusive and cunning predator. It's an absolute killing machine. Whether it's hiding in the shadows, stalking its prey, or leaping to catch a bird, the bobcat's ability to blend in and remain unnoticed is a true testament to its stealth and survival skills. They are extremely fascinating creatures. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.